Hi, my name is Mark Herron. I am the Collection Systems Supervisor at the Molten Eagle Water District. We take great pride in the safe and efficient operation of our wastewater collection system. Our operators and dedicated staff work around the clock responding to emergencies, preventing blockages, clearing out roots, grease, and debris. You have probably seen us on your street performing sewer line cleaning with the equipment you see right behind me. Right now, the operators are cleaning an 8-inch gravity sewer with the combination cleaning machine. It's kind of like a pressure washer that you would use to clean your home, only slightly larger. This will scour the interior walls of the pipe and remove buildup. We clean all of the residential lines on an annual basis. This is one of the proactive measures that we take to reduce the chances of sewer overflows that can have a negative impact on the environment and the surrounding community. The steps you take to reduce the amount of grease and foreign material flushed into the sewer system will also help to reduce the chances of a backup and aid in the treatment process downstream. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more information on what Molten Eagle Water is doing to be ready in the event of an emergency, or on tips for how you can be better prepared in an emergency, visit our website at mnwd.com. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 949-831-2500. Thanks and have a great day.